Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate nuts. First, gather your ingredients: about 8 ounces of good quality chocolate and 2 cups of your preferred nuts. You'll also need a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick treat or a thoughtful homemade gift. Let's get started with melting that delicious chocolate. To melt your chocolate, you have a couple of easy options. A double boiler provides a gentle, consistent heat, preventing burning. Alternatively, you can use a microwave, heating in 30-second bursts and stirring thoroughly after each. The key is to melt it slowly until it's smooth and glossy, without any lumps. Avoid getting any water into the chocolate. Once your chocolate is perfectly melted, it's time to combine it with the nuts. Carefully pour your 2 cups of nuts into the warm, melted chocolate. Stir gently but thoroughly, ensuring every single nut is completely coated in the rich chocolate. Then, using a spoon, drop small, individual clusters onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. This helps them set nicely. After coating, let your chocolate nuts cool and set. You can leave them at room temperature, which usually takes about 30 minutes, or for a quicker set, place them in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Once firm, they are ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks to maintain freshness and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.